until this campaign how much energy you actually consume and use throughout the house. So I'm actually going to swap out this bulb here and have a couple of bulbs around the house also. And it's as simple as that.
Here I am replacing my light bulbs with a more energy efficient bulb. While these are more expensive off the shelf, their efficient energy use and longer lifetimes mean that they cost less in the long run.
So for me, I'm going to be using this LED light, which uses less energy and costs less over the long run. So hopefully you can implement that in your houses.